designing, you can actually sort of feel as to when people are going to move here, this is what is going to be happening.
Yeah.
Right? That is like your sixth sense.
Correct.
Right? It cannot be taught through any books, it cannot be taught through any other means.
Correct. Scale.
It is something which is, you have all the things, you have time, you have so many there, but scale is one thing which has to come into you as you sort of keep on working and this thing and all.
But one thing I'll tell you, when I was working with you, it was not just architecture. It was like a behavior and self-enjoyment, the informality. And the architects, when he want to think himself or want to make other people to think, he should be little informal, because he is not ultimately 100% architect, he is artist also. So the openness and even from the junior level, listening character, beyond their knowledge, level difference, all those things. That I learnt literally from you. When you started giving a benchmark, this should be like that. If I do little variation also, that was happily accepting. Like that is why I think I tried so many this thing. And you must be knowing the Prakash Mysore. We made a plan, he agreed everything. Next day it was changed. He himself was not able to digest. So those freedom is very much necessary for anybody to, as a junior. He can think freely. I could have leave that Prakash's house, anyway a client is approved, why we should change?
Correct.
It was completely a different concept.
It did not, our own conscience was not sort of agreeing that we can do definitely something much
that openness
better.
I felt actually. Any architect as a senior, you should have that character first.
Life is a learning process. Today if you say that you have done 3-4 resorts and you have learnt everything, that means from that day you are downgrading stars. And my thing is that you can learn in a project all the way up to from the Mestri also. If the Mestri is a good Mestri, you can learn so many things from him.
We'll learn by only actually ultimately. One example I'll tell you. This white marble, Rajasthani marble, nobody wrote in the book and you should put a little white cement below the marble. So those points actually, that is real practically earned actually. That is not by ourselves. Mestri is given the information.
It has been handed over generation to generation to the Mestri and now it has come to us.
It is nowhere in textbooks.
Very right. Lot of such things. They happen this way, that you go there, you see, and then it is the confident, like sometimes you will be saying, okay, we'll do a stone masonry like this. And then you are talking to the person who is actually doing it. You'll say, illa sir, agala, we can do it like this. If you are the absorbing type, you'll tell fine, you do one sample, two samples, I'll come and see.
That leisure.
Otherwise, no, do it like this only, I'm telling you to do it.
Correct.
Now, if you do the first time, you tell him fine, two things that he also feels good. You also have an opportunity to learn something.
That in between that leisure.
Yes, and it's a good viability. If you do the first way, I can guarantee you, he'll also find out this fellow same less fine. He will also spoil.
That's what actually.
Actually,
your studies happened in Nagpur, sir. That is architecture.
Yes.
After that, you made a design in
I went to IIT Bombay to study.
That is why very specialism, like sketching in furnitures, all those things that time he was doing actually. Designing, it was something extra other than architect.
That was something very good which happened in my life. After doing 5 years of architecture, this friend of mine, he called me, he said, Dinesh, you come to that place, that course is just meant for you. So I went there and got admission. There in that course, 15 students, but from different walks of life. They are not all architects. Architects, mechanical engineers, electronics engineers, electrical engineers, civil engineers, all of them were put together. And there is something called product design. What my luck was at that time, this course was under the UNDP UNESCO program. So we had all foreign professors who had come down from universities abroad to teach us. And the local people had gone to different places to learn more. That made a lot of difference. Though I was in India, I was in a good place like IIT. The thinking from all the professors, I'll tell you one thing. it was very interesting. This was a professor from Syracuse University, Professor Faste. He came and he said, see, for design, you should know how to observe things. You should see what is this, what is this, what is this. And that whatever you are seeing has to get into your mind. Right. He says, for example, in America, if you tell anybody how Coca-Cola is written, even a small child will write Coca-Cola. Right. So in your country, there will be something which is as popular as what Coca-Cola is there in America. All of us, yes sir, yes sir. So tell me something which is so popular in your country. All of us in one word, thumbs up. Oh, is it? Ask, what is that? That's like Coca-Cola. Oh, is it? Yes. So that fellow, these people, they always come prepared for the lecture. So he, in his pocket here, he takes out 15 sheets of A4 size. It does like this and distributes one sheet to all of us. Right? And says, you draw how thumbs up is written. Okay. He tells that and he goes. All of us are trying to do something. This fellow, he's just landed from US, and that is not a time when internet, computer, nothing was there. He goes and finds out and then walks all the way to the cafeteria of the institute. Right? Pays that time, if you want a bottle, you have to pay a deposit.
What should be the deposit?
So he paid the deposit for the thumbs up bottle, walks back to the classroom with a thumbs up bottle. Right? So we see him with a thumbs up bottle in his back pocket. He comes, puts the thumbs up bottle on the table, then goes around, collects all the papers. With a sellotape, sticks it on the wall. And then he calls, he says, all of us are standing, and he says, see, this is what you said is the most popular thing, correct? And this is what you people have drawn. Then none of us actually knew what the thumbs up emblem is like. Is it like this? 3 fingers are here, 3 fingers are here, 2 are here. This is
that confusion starts.
Total confusion. He said, this is your weakness. If you have observed something, right? You should digest it. You should know what it is, why it is. This is the thing and all that. There are 15 of us and none of us were anywhere close to the thumbs up thing. He was not scolding us. That is something which I learned from these people. He, whatever we have done, automatically sort of told us how bad we are.
Okay.
Correct. You don't need somebody to tell you that you are useless, you are bad, you are horrible. Not required at all. So this is the type of education which was imparted to us, which has actually grown inside me. You don't have to shout at somebody to say that you are stupid. You can do it in so many other ways.
Correct.
Isn't it? See, it helps a lot in your...
Correct. That is why I have seen that patience, that correcting nature, and whatever it comes, take it as it is and make it correct after that. Those things I have seen with you, which is not even recognized with others actually. That is what general education it happened with me, like from you. See, I wanted to know in between actually. Anyway, after I left your office, I think you are grown so many levels. You please tell me the levels actually you have received so many awards in between. A few things actually can recall.
Inside all human beings,
Award is not necessary to you.
No.
They are proud by giving it.
People call it an award, but appreciation is something which you are look for.
Yeah, that is the artist expects it.
Yes, you expect that. It is at any age, at any profession.
Correct.
Right. Even at the end of a project, that you expect that fine, at least the client has come and said, oh, this is a good thing done. Okay, that itself is a appreciation. Right. So many times they tell the clients in the end when they know this really came out so well and all. I said that is more than the fees than what we are getting. Today's world, what is there, that is just within those 4 walls.
Correct.
So you want to show people much bigger and bigger and bigger.
And of course, some people are there getting award
only in 2005. I got this opportunity where they said that fine, we are looking forward to this type of award, which is typically Bombay based normally.
Correct.
If you go through the things, in our country, architecture started in Bombay. The oldest school of architecture was in Bombay. Why? Because the Britishers were from there.
Correct.
All the big buildings were happening by Britishers in Bombay.
Correct.
So they started a college not for architects. They started a college for draftsmen because the architects used to come from London.
Correct.
They wanted only drafting support. Then slowly that college got absorbed into JJ College of Arts and then became architecture also. Otherwise there was no reason why it is. So that is how the
That is
oldest
one unfortunate thing actually. Any segment you go, doctor and even a social worker, other artist, for everybody there is a government side of awards are there.
Yes.
Except the architects.
Correct, yes. See, the thing is that we are not so well, though we have a council, we have this thing, but we are, most of them are, happy-go-lucky type of thing. We are all happy with our internal small companies.
Correct.
You will not see architectural companies in India like how they are abroad.
Correct.
Abroad, an architectural company will be employing 1,500 people. Right?
Correct.
Here, then in the entire country, you will have one or two of those type of people. Everybody is happy with 15, 20. 40 means big. 50 cross means you are really big. And architecture in this country is still personalized. Unlike the Western world.
Correct.
Here, you will be sitting with the client, designing his things. You can find kitchen cabinet, this thing, what is the thing, what is your wife's height, what is there, all those things. Abroad, you don't have that. It's catalog architecture. So you take the thing, fine, you just specify. Yes. Catalog, company number so and so, catalog number so and so, this thing to go here. So coming to the award, this was an opportunity which I got. We did a very good project here. And we have been, whatever we have been doing has been coming in, local news, local newspapers, everything has been carrying it because certain things like eco-friendliness, change of reuse of things, recycling of things.
Correct.
That has been in my mind since ages.
Yeah, correct.
This was one project where we have done all those things. Apart from that, the entire project on that 36 acres was literally like one family. So the buildings which have come up, they when you go through the project, all the buildings look like one family. They have the characters of brothers, sisters, and like you can say, yes, that got me this award.
Yeah, correct.
Which definitely helped us a lot to grow further. And same Indus, they have called us to do a new school near Guwahati, Shillong.
Okay.
Because see, it's a rapport which you develop. Correct. They know that fine, going to Dinesh Verma, they are going to get the value and the things. So we have been going from place to place, learning things, doing things. My entire thing has been on how to reuse, how to recycle. And then you need a lot of technical expertise to do that. We designed this it's one big cube, 4 acres of built-up area. It's inside one building. The concept which I was coming out was that there's a hotel, there's a IT area, there's a mall. All together in one building. How to reuse and how to recycle. So I came out with the concept that the hotel which has the maximum waste in terms of water and all, we will recycle it and use it in the other part.
Yeah, correct. Very sensible.
Yes. And we did this in Hyderabad. It was so sensational that Chandrababu Naidu, who was the Chief Minister, came to inaugurate the building.